morning, everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Nyoto, and today I'm going to be explaining if actually can artificial intelligence replace a pilot shop. So before I start, I'm going to be starting with the key issue. So for the key issue, as you can see, AI is a robot that is a slow learner. Not only that, but they gather mostly from their information is from a raw data and also from most websites. But mostly, as you can see, we usually didn't check when is the expiration date or is it already outdated or not. Now next, here are the data as you can see from 2020 and 2021 was the most incident. That is the year when COVID-19 has already started and most people work from online and working from home. Next, we're going from local. So what are the perspectives from local? The perspective from local is that they actually started to build a robot or a technology that could only control smaller aircraft, and currently they are still in a beta or still in a development stage, meaning they are not fully finished with it. And now we're moving to the national one. For the national one, as you can see in 25 July in Florida Air Base, they're creating a fighter jet that could fully control itself, and the artificial intelligence has already took 1 million hours for flight training, and it was already given a fully permission control, meaning we do not need to control anything. And last, for the perspective, I am gonna be doing global. In global, as you can see, Airbus is a well-known airplane company that has already started in the 90s. And currently, they already work with over than many airline companies, not only from America, but from most of the country. And as you can see, currently they are starting to create their first ever aircraft that is controlled by AI. And they are still not fully controlled, but some of the part of the job that was replaced by AI. So and now next I'm going to the cost. So what are the costs? As you can see, in military, mostly there will be some fighter jet that is gonna crash or because late aircraft landing. Not only that, they can also pick better emergency or better decision. And lastly, to prevent from risking humans' life. So now I'm gonna be explaining in global why they actually pick mostly from only takeoff and landing. As you can see here in the data, from ground until takeoff, there was only like 3 or 4 only incident. And while cruising is only half. Well, as you can see, in descent was very least only one incident or 1%. Well, as you can see, most of the airplane occur at the accident is final approach or landing. And for the consequence is mass unemployment, and you need to frequently do a maintenance on the robot. What does it mean is that so to prevent any problem. And these are the data that was collected, and as you can see, mostly artificial intelligence, they took the job teller, and the most least one is the financial manager. So what are the course of action? We could do by dividing 50% of our job, meaning by doing a poll on each part role of the job and asking which part of the job is the most hardest. So we could replace the most hardest one with the AI to reduce any problem or incidents. And so for the conclusion, in conclusion, artificial intelligence will not fully take our job. Not only that, it will make our life productive and easy. That is all for my presentation today. Thank you and God bless you.